Hi, Aimee Lockwood here with Eden Home Staging and 𝗕𝗲𝗏. We're going to show you how we were able to update this 1920s house into this beautiful home. Believe it or not, this home is 100 years old. In the heart of Seattle, it is absolutely stunning and it has so much character to it, but it's still a bit boring. I'm really excited to show you guys some really fun tips and tools to bring some life to this space. Today's dining room, as you can tell, is a very traditional space. So how we were able to bring softness to this room was we brought in a rounded table, which was then extended. We also brought in soft chairs, and that helped us to really bring that softness and comfort. We also brought in a nice area rug that really fit well with the table and chairs, and that helped us create a nice, comfortable space. This here is just a simple setup where we were able to really key in the room, give it the value that it needed to be able to take this beautiful traditional dining room and really bring it to life. I love pillows. They are literally like stuffed animals for adults. So you gotta have fun with it. It dresses up your space and it looks great. Currently, of course, we see that it is a beautiful couch that has some nice edges, but it's still a bit boring. So our goal is to be able to add texture and add comfort into the space to really just liven the room up. So we're gonna start with our blanket, just to kind of add this different texture. And next we're going to place our blue pillow. This one I love because it has the buttons that go down it. And then we have a seafoam blue that really kind of just ties into everything. All of these pillows are completely different from one another, but all together they finish it off. We've been able to take this bland sofa and just really amp it up by adding a few pillows and a throw. We know art placement in homes is very key. And so based on that, we're gonna tell you some tips and ideas so that way you're putting it together properly. We wanna first off make sure that the middle of the art is going to be at 60 inches. Placing it within the span of the windows within the room. One thing we wanna make sure to do, since we're working with two pieces of art, we need to make sure that the art is level. If art is hung properly, it's just natural to the eye. It makes it easy for us to take in the space without feeling like something's off. So this is why a level is very key when you're placing your art. Thank you so much for watching with us. Again, this is Aimee with Eden Home Staging and 𝗕𝗲𝗏. See you next time.